Ayan guys, kumukulo na ang ating Russian soup. Ayan, mayroong buto-buto, buto ng baboy at saka mayroong kamatis, carrots, cabbage at potato. Mayroong tomato paste yan guys at kaunting pampalasa. Ayan po. Ready to serve na po yan. At ito ang ating main dish. Minced pork na steam natin na mayroon siyang mushroom. Ayan. Ready na po yan guys. Luto na po yan. And waiting for dinner time. Ayan po. Mukulo na po ating sabaw. Ayan. Thank you so much. Takpan natin ulit.